Imagine leaving your home on time, expecting a short trip, only to find yourself stuck at the same traffic light for several minutes. The vehicles continue to pile up, the queue gets longer, and frustrations grow with every passing seconds. For many motorists, commuters, and public transport drivers in Calamba City, this is not just an occasional inconvenience. It has become part of the daily routine. Every day, thousands of vehicles pass through Halang intersection, one of the busiest transportation corridors in the city. As traffic demand continues to increase, the challenge is no longer simply about building more roads. The real question is, are we managing the traffic we already have as efficiently as possible? As future civil engineers, we believe that effective traffic management should not only focus on expanding infrastructure but also on maximizing the efficiency of existing transportation systems. Through the application of traffic engineering principles and simulation technology, intersections can be evaluated and improved without the immediate need for costly roadway expansions.
Magandang araw po. Ako po si Margaret Llerena, isang civil engineering student. Pwede po ba kayong ma-interview?
Oo, pwede naman. Ako nga pala si Gilbert, isang tricycle driver. Nagdadrive ako, may 15 taon na.
So, base po sa experience nyo, tunay nga po bang nakakaranas ng traffic ang intersection sa Halang?
Sa experience ko, nagtatraffic siya lalo na pag weekend, Friday hanggang Saturday. Kasi uwian ng mga estudyante, mga alis sa trabaho, ganun.
Sa tingin nyo po, ano pong sanhi ng traffic na ito?
Ayun nga, yung nasabi ko, yung pag weekend, yung uwian ng mga estudyante, mga galing sa trabaho, sabay-sabay ang volume ng sasakyan. Yun ang focus.
Dahil po ba sa traffic, naapektuhan po ba yung kita nyo as tricycle driver?
Oo naman, kasi nga bago kami makapaghatid, bago makabalik, ubos ng oras namin. Usually nakakain mga 1.5 hours bago makabalik sa Tauban traffic, especially pag biyaheng Pansol.
Maraming salamat po.